Hey everyone, I'm Braden Steele, and thanks for joining me on the latest episode of fsBuilds. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can implement FastSpring on your web shop to sell in-game currency, battle passes, in-game items, and more. We have an example shop here called Random Conquest that has a lot of options for players to buy. They can buy a battle pass, the Viking pass, the plunder pass. You can see we have a sale going on where they get 1,000 bonus gems if they make this purchase. They also can buy individual gems to top up as well. And you can see the sales running down here as well. So if we click Viking Pass and they add that to their cart, you can see not only is the Viking Pass a subscription that renews every month, but they also have the 1,000 bonus gems product that has been added to the cart immediately. These are hosted in the back end of the FastSpring platform and will include documentation on what that looks like in the post here. Your players can also go back and they can add additional products. So let's say they want to buy that horde of gems as well. So they add that to the cart. And again, that is automatically populated into the shopping cart. Your player then enters their player ID, which allows us to help you fulfill information fulfill the product to your players in-app. They hit checkout and they get the checkout experience. On the left side here, you can see their order summary, all of the things that they want to purchase, their free products as well. And on the right, you can see our checkout. Now you can see we're automatically calculating those discounts that are included with this purchase. We will also automatically calculate tax. So let's enter some information. So now that we've entered our information, you can see that based on the zip code, that tax is automatically calculated. Then they can pay for their purchase, and they'll get an immediate confirmation for their order. What then happens is we send you, using our order-related webhooks, the completion of that. We can also tell you if there's a payment pending, or if an order has failed, or if an order was canceled. You then can consume those webhooks and use that with your backend to fulfill product directly to your player's game. So if we go back to our web shop, and let's refresh the page, you can now see we also offer the ability for returning players to get offers, and also what we'll show you in just a second for one-click payments. So in this case, I'm still logged into the store, and there's some player exclusives that I wasn't being offered before. Well, now that I'm logged in, I'm like, yeah, I want to buy 3 magic potions. So let's add that to my cart. My player ID is pre-populated, and I can check out. And you can see here, it saved my payment method from the last time I made a purchase so that it's as simple as one click. Or if I don't want to make another purchase with that same card or want to use a different payment method, I can click use a new payment method and enter that accordingly. So if I hit pay here, it'll be the same experience as before. That confirmation happens. We use the orders webhooks to send information back to you so that you can fulfill directly to their application. FastSpring also offers the ability to localize currencies and payment methods depending on where your players are. So for example, let's say we have a customer who wants to purchase from Germany. When they come to your site, they're going to be served up their options in euros, and they'll also be getting local payment methods that are relevant to them. So for example, in Germany, Klarna will show up as an option. And the same is true all across the globe. If someone's in Brazil, they're going to get Pix. If someone is in South Korea, they're going to get Kakao Pay. If someone is in China, they'll get WeChat Pay, etc., etc. So this localization not only helps give familiar currencies, but also those more common and familiar payment methods to your customers, and that drives up completions of orders. So that's a quick example of how you might implement FastSpring onto your web shop. Lots of resources are down in the post below. Go check them out to learn more about how you can do this. And we're excited to see you on the next episode of fsBuilds.